Hi guys! Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to translate language in Cohesive AI. Yes, you heard it right. In Cohesive AI, you can just simply translate the language of the answer or the generated answer of your questions. Alright, so this is how mind-blowing, how wonderful the Cohesive AI is. So to get started, let us go to our Google Chrome and at the search bar engine, let us type cohesive.so. And do not forget to log in your account. Alright, so in our case, we already log in our account, so now we can now start generating or we can now start browsing or using the wonderful features of Cohesive AI. Alright, so now let's say for example, we need a script for a YouTube video. So all we have to do guys is just to tap the script for YouTube video and then type, let's say for example, how to save money. So this is where we are going to type the title, alright, or the topic that we are going to make a script. Alright, so how to save money and click go. And after that one guys, the Cohesive AI is now start generating the script for you. Alright, so all we have to do is just to wait for a moment. Alright, so let's wait until the Cohesive AI is done in generating a script for us. Alright, so there we go guys, we have already here a script, alright, for how to save money. So as you can see guys, there is already an introduction where you have to, or you have, where you have a, where you have to greet your audience. Alright, so now since we are going to translate the language, for example, if you are Chinese and if you want to use your own language to make it yourselves more comfortable, then Cohesive AI will get you covered. Because over here at the upper left part of the screen, there's a word translate to. So all you have to do is just to tap this and select this one, Chinese. And let's wait for a moment so that Cohesive AI can generate a script that is using the Chinese language. Alright, so there we go. This is on how to translate language in Cohesive AI. So, if you want to know on how to translate language in Cohesive AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to translate language in Cohesive AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!